Fire safety isn't just about protecting your home, it's about understanding fire behavior and using fire safely in everyday situations. Whether you're cooking, camping, or handling a fireplace, the right knowledge can save lives and property. In today's video, we'll explore practical fire usage tips that everyone should know, so you can stay safe and confident. If you've ever had a close call with fire, or if you simply want to be prepared, this video is for you. 1. Always have a fire extinguisher handy. It's easy to forget about fire extinguishers, but they can be life-saving tools. Make sure you have a fire extinguisher in key areas of your home kitchen, garage, and near your fireplace. Check it regularly to ensure it's not expired or malfunctioning. Learn how to use it properly. The pass technique, pull, aim, squeeze, sweep, is simple and effective. Keep it accessible, never buried under other items. If you're cooking, always keep an extinguisher within reach and keep one near any open flame or heat source. Don't wait for the worst to happen. Be prepared. Additionally, consider having one in your car for emergencies on the road. Test the pressure gauge monthly to make sure it's still functional. If you're unsure about the proper type of extinguisher, consult with a professional to find the right one for your needs. And remember, a fire extinguisher should be part of your fire safety plan, not an afterthought. 2. Stay alert while cooking. The kitchen is one of the most common places where fires start. Always stay alert when cooking, especially if you're frying or grilling. Never leave cooking food unattended, as a small flame can grow out of control quickly. Keep flammable items like dish towels, oven mitts, and paper towels away from heat sources. Install a smoke detector in or near the kitchen and ensure it's working. If a fire does start, never use water to put out grease fires. Instead, use a fire extinguisher or a metal lid to smother the flames. Make fire safety second nature in the kitchen. Additionally, ensure you have a fire blanket nearby to help put out small fires quickly. Clean your stovetop regularly to avoid grease buildup, which can be a fire hazard. Always have a fire extinguisher within arm's reach, especially if you're cooking with high heat. Stay safe, and if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fire safety advice. 3. Keep your fireplaces and wood stoves clean. Wood-burning stoves and fireplaces can be a beautiful feature in your home, but they require regular maintenance. Soot and creosote build up over time, making them a fire hazard. Have your chimney cleaned annually to prevent dangerous buildup. Never burn paper or other inappropriate materials in your stove or fireplace, only dry, seasoned wood. Keep flammable items away from the hearth and never leave a fire unattended. Make sure your chimney cap is secure to prevent animals from nesting inside, which could lead to a dangerous blockage. Regular cleaning and monitoring can keep your fireplace safe. 4. Always check electrical cords and outlets. Faulty electrical wiring is one of the leading causes of fires. Inspect all your electrical cords and outlets for any signs of wear or damage. Never overload an outlet, and always unplug appliances when not in use. Extension cords should only be used temporarily. Don't rely on them for permanent power sources. Replace frayed or damaged cords immediately. Make sure your home has sufficient circuit breakers to prevent overheating and short circuits. Being proactive with electrical safety will keep your home free from potential fire risks. 5. Know how to handle candles safely. Candles create a beautiful atmosphere, but can be a serious fire hazard if not handled correctly. Never leave a lit candle unattended, and always keep them away from anything flammable like curtains, books, or furniture. Use a sturdy candle holder to catch any wax strips and prevent accidents. Keep candles out of reach of children and pets, and make sure they're completely extinguished before leaving a room or going to sleep. Opt for flameless, battery-powered candles for an even safer alternative in certain situations. 6. Be careful with gasoline and other flammable liquids. Gasoline, paint thinner, and other flammable liquids can ignite easily if not stored properly. Always store these substances in well-ventilated areas, away from heat sources. Keep them in approved containers, and never leave them near open flames, sparks, or electrical equipment. When refueling vehicles or equipment, avoid doing it near any ignition sources. Always clean up any spills immediately, And never dispose of flammable liquids in regular trash. Take them to a hazardous waste disposal site. Proper storage and handling can prevent explosive accidents. 7. Practice safe outdoor fire usage. When camping or enjoying an outdoor fire, always follow fire safety protocols. Build fires in designated areas, away from trees, grass, or other vegetation that could catch fire. Keep a bucket of water, sand, or a fire extinguisher nearby, and make sure the fire is completely extinguished before leaving it unattended. Never leave a fire burning overnight. If you're grilling or using a fire pit, ensure the area is clear of flammable materials and keep children and pets away. Outdoor fires can spread quickly, so always take extra precautions. 8. Know your smoke alarms and test them regularly. Smoke alarms save lives, but they only work if they're functioning properly. Test your smoke alarms at least once a month and change the batteries twice a year, even if the alarm seems to be working fine. Replace alarms that are over 10 years old. If you're renovating or doing construction, make sure smoke detectors are installed in every room and hallway. Ensure they are positioned correctly high on the wall or ceiling. Smoke alarms give you the early warning you need to evacuate safely if a fire does break out. 9. Don't ignore your dryer's maintenance. Clogged dryer vents are another hidden fire hazard. Over time, lint can build up in your dryer's vent system, creating a potential fire source. Clean your lint trap after every load of laundry and have the vent system professionally cleaned every year. If you notice that your clothes are taking longer to dry or your dryer feels unusually hot, it might be time for a checkup. Also, don't overload your dryer or leave it running unattended. Keeping your dryer clean and well-maintained will significantly reduce fire risks in your home. 10. Plan and practice a fire escape plan. No one expects a fire to break out, but if it does, having an escape plan could make all the difference. Make sure everyone in your household knows 2 ways to exit each room. If you have young children, practice the plan with them. Keep your exits clear of obstacles and know where to meet outside once you're out of the house. If your home has multiple levels, consider installing fire ladders for easier evacuation. Review your plan regularly, especially when you have guests. Practice makes perfect, so keep your fire escape plan fresh and well-practiced. We hope these practical fire usage tips help keep you safe and prepared in any situation. Remember, fire safety isn't something to take for granted. It's all about being proactive. Whether you're at home or out in the wilderness, knowing how to handle fire responsibly can make all the difference. Make sure to apply these tips daily to reduce your risks. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more practical safety advice. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and fire smart.